welcome back to the Slime Lab. So today I'm going to be doing a 100% honest review on Glitter.Slimes on Instagram. She is one of the most iconic Slimers ever. She is almost to 2 million followers, which is like insanely crazy. I'm so proud of her. And this shop is very special to me because it was the first shop that I ever reviewed, and my first video was about them. So yeah, I am so excited, and let's get on to the slime video. So Glitter.Slimes packages her slimes in a hollow bubble mailer, which is so cute. So I got it open. And this is the extra baggie. This is the slime. So she bubble wraps her slimes in these little bubble pouches. So this seems very, very secure. So I purchased Mango Haichu, and I'm so excited for this slime. I just love mango slimes. So her label has a little picture of Haichus on it, and it says Mango Haichu. And on the top, she has her Glitter.Slimes logo. So this seems like a very secure and sturdy container. Whoa, this is glossy. I can smell it from here. This smells just like mangoes. Oh my gosh. This smells so much like Mango Haichus. This is so thick and so glossy. Whoa. I think this is a school glue based slime. It feels like a school glue based slime with some glue on it. It feels just like Jamba Juice from Slime City B. This is so thwacky and so thick and glossy. Like, what? My mind is blown. How is this even possible? So I love the slime. It's super thick and glossy and super thwacky, and I just love it. So my final rating on this slime, Mango Haichu from Glitter.Slimes, is a 10 out of 10. It is a super thick and glossy slime. I definitely recommend this slime. If you can catch her restock, grab this right off the shelves. It's the best, the thickest, the glossiest, and it smells so realistic. So I definitely rate it like a billion out of 10. But 10 out of 10, definitely, and I highly recommend it. So for extras, she includes her coupon code and her business card with a slime care sheet on the back. Then she includes this little, like, really realistic orange candy, a borax baggie, and this honey candy. So I definitely recommend that you purchase from Glitter.Slimes. She's a highly reputable shop and has one of the biggest followings on Instagram. I'm pretty sure the biggest following on Instagram for a slime shop. There are bigger slime accounts, but biggest slime shop ever. She is a queen and the best at making slime. So I definitely recommend you go purchase from her. I'll leave her Instagram, YouTube, and shop down below. If you want to know when she restocks at Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every weekend. So thank you guys for watching this video. I definitely recommend that you purchase from Glitter.Slimes. I recommend her 10 out of 10. I hope you don't forget to subscribe down below. And I also have a slime shop. It will be linked down below along as my Instagram. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put on that post notifications bell so you can never miss another video. So that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and bye!